Hello, today I will show you how to create your first project in NetBeans. In order to do it, you click on File, then New Project, and then from these categories you can choose a template. So how your starting code should look like. It's just gonna help you. You don't need to create basic files each time again and again. It just does it for you. As you can see, you can program in HTML, in a PHP. It's just up to you. NetBeans is used also for other programming languages, but we're gonna choose Java with AND. What is AND? Ant is, this small being. No, just kidding. Ant is a build script to build, run, and debug your project. Okay, so there is also Gradle, Maven. There are differences. To be honest, it doesn't matter for you for now. What are these differences between these building tools? Just use Ant, stick with it. Don't worry about these names here. So focus on Java with Ant, and we're gonna choose Java application because we want to create Java applications. And then we click next. And here we type the name of our project. So for example, name of my project, right? And then I click finish. And that's how we've just created our first project that is called name of my project. As you can see, IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment, has got here lots of tools that we need to learn about. For example, here on the left side, we have got something like a project manager where we can see folders with the files that we are currently working on. We have got now only one file that has been automatically created with the template that we used. And this is the entrance to our program. As you can see, it says to us to do code application logic here. So when we write here something like, for example, this, of course, don't worry what is that, because we're gonna explain it better in the future. Well, I'm going to explain it better in the future. And when you click play button, as you can see, we have just compiled our program, we have built it, and here we have a result. That's cool, right? We didn't need to do anything manually because everything was done by this integrated development environment. Here there is lots of other stuff, like for example history. You can see, oh, so I did it today something like this, so I changed this into this. So as you can see, it can help you follow what you did in the current day or the last day. There are many useful stuff in IDE. We will focus on a few of them in the future lectures step by step, so don't worry. For now, notice that IDE is also colorizing the key words, like for example class, public. Of course, we're gonna talk about things like that in future, what they mean, but notice that because of it, your code looks better, right? You can instantly say, oh, so here is a class, oh, so here is a public thing, right? Oh, so here is my main thing. You can instantly see where is what, because it's colorizing your code. That's not all. NetBeans can help you also spot errors, like for example, let's remove S here. As you can see, when we move here our cursor, class interface or enum expected. Also, we expect here something what is called class. Okay, now everything works fine. So when you make errors, you're gonna be informed about. Let's remove the colon from here. Expected. Okay, so let's add it back and our program works fine now. This is pretty cool, right? Because people tend to make mistakes and you're gonna make thousands of them. And this is pretty normal, especially if you are beginner, but even if you're advanced, you're gonna make mistakes while you are programming. This is normal, so do not worry about it if you feel like you are outcast or something like that. No, this is pretty normal at beginning, so don't worry about it. Okay, that's all the lesson. Thank you very much.